You have to be the very best in whatever you do. And achieving the crown is not just being the furthest of them all. It takes time to wait, to be smart, and to be smart-minded. Last May 2023, I have been blessed to wear this beautiful crown, and tonight marks the end on an incredible chapter of my life as Munting Merchant Buena Vista 2023. I have learned that if someone really wants something, she has to strive hard to achieve it. There will be many struggles, but she should never take them as signs to quit. Instead, as opportunities to prove herself once more and to become better and stronger. This has been the thought that went in my head during the coronation night, and I am very grateful to succeed without thinking to quit. Competing in this pageant has helped me discover the person I was meant to be. But I know that I could have not done this without the people behind my success. So, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to those who believe in me for all these years. My name is Eno Marie Conisora of Cluster 5. This has been your Munting Merchant at Buena Vista 2023, and I thank you.
Ayan. So, thank you very much po. Let